time because we heard his turn.
So, just in case if you have to run, do some sprints. Let's get ready for this.
Okay, well, first of all, y'all already know that CL is like my ultimate female bias. I really do not have many favorite girl groups, but CL is definitely one of my top favorite female rappers, singers, everything. She's beautiful, and I love her because she's like a big inspiration to me. And I heard that, I saw some pictures on Twitter that she was wearing leather, and I was like, in the mood of CL, you know. And my hair is silver ombre, so you know, and I know her hair was silver in the music video, or it's actually a performance video. And you can tell I really love CL. CL is like my favorite everything, and I'm so excited about this. When I heard there was a comeback, either 21 or CL, I was excited for both because either way I was going to see CL. So let's get this started. It's called Hello, Bitches. Peach, Pinky, whatever her name was. That girl pissed me out. Peachy, Spotlight.
Shoddy, Big Red.
That's my girl. Okay.
Vanilla Ice, hot chocolate. CL.
The beat though. I heard a little bit of it because she kind of teased it on Instagram. Oh. They got booty. Hello, bitches. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay.
Hey, okay.
Oh, she going hard.
Oh my god. Oh.
Sorry, it was probably loud. Okay. Sorry, it was loud.
Oh, I saw that. Oh,
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh god, this is, oh my god.
Get it, CL. Get it. It's so bad.
Yeah.
Last dip low.
Oh, that just like come out now. I was like, wow, that's
Like an
really
indicator
colorful.
kind of thing. Golden mic. I like that it's diverse.
Right? I don't know, but se ven como hispanas, so I don't know. They're gonna spend it.
Should be the music video too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Keep singing it off. No homo.
The kitchen out, no.
Yes.
Oh.
Those Converse. Yes.
I don't see Elvis like that.
Yes.
I didn't know this.
Good set.
She does laughing. Yeah, I saw it too.
Why are you laughing? Okay. Yes. Yes. Wait, hold on. Let me take this out.
Yeah, I just gave it that other video.
Yes, CL.
That was
You killed that shit. Oh my god. Choreography on fleek. Everything was on
everything
fleek.
was good. They ain't got booty popping though, and
She was spitting bars, and she was like booty popping.
That booty like.
You know, it's better if we stand. I feel like we're more free to like.
More free to like
dance.
punch each other if we have to fight.
Okay. Anyway. Anyways, guys, tell me what you thought about CL's comeback. I loved it. I'm kind of, I don't know if this is part, sorry. It's just that booty, you know.
That booty got me, woo.
But I don't know if this is part of her American debut, because I know she was going to debut in America, but I don't know if this is part of it, because I was hearing a lot of Korean, you know, so I don't know. But I loved it, because she's so, hey, CL, yes, this is why I love you. You gotta show that K. Anyways, bye guys. Thanks for watching.
CL.
Oh, let me see. Is this right? Yeah. CL, baddest female, bye.
Bad bitch.